Chapter 12 assignment, Sonia Dodson, Substance Use Disorder. I have chosen alcohol use disorder. What is AUD, or alcohol use disorder? In this assignment, I looked up this diagnosis in 3 sources. My first source is the DSM-5. This is used across the field to diagnose alcohol use disorder and many other mental illnesses. The DSM-5 breaks it down into 11 criteria. You must have the presence of at least 2 of these symptoms in order to have alcohol use disorder. They must be persistent for 1 year. So the question is, in the past year, have you? And I ask you 11 questions. Second, we need to find out the severity of the alcohol use disorder. 2 to 3 of the 11 criteria is considered mild, 4 to 5 is moderate, and more than 6 is severe. Next, I went to the NAMI website, National Alliance on Mental Illness. One of the things they said was it was common to cope with symptoms of mental illness by drinking. The only thing I could find was things on co-occurring disorders. According to what I was finding at NAMI, substance use is also tied to mental health disorders. They use the word abuse and other things that are no longer part of the DSM-5. Then I went to WebMD, which has been a good source of finding out things from a medical perspective. Again, they use the word abuse, alcoholism, and things that are not always used in the DSM-5. Their list for treatment was to see your primary care physician and get a physical, lab work done, and have them check your mental health. That is a good start, but it wasn't complete. One of the ads on the side showed 9 signs of alcoholism, which was a good start to reaching the criteria in the DSM-5. As we're learning in class, the National Institute on Drug Abuse has a lot of great information. I pulled up quickly alcohol use disorder, and I found a lot of articles that might be worth reading to get more information for my future clients. What I learned from this assignment is that I need to keep researching and keep learning in order to be the best helper I can for my future clients.